Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm doing a video I'm really excited about. Like, I wanted to film this video a long time back, and I did film it, but I had to delete all the footage because it was so bad. It was so blurry, but I'm finally doing it. So I'm just gonna show you how to cut your bangs at home and how to style your hair using hair rollers because a lot of people requested it. So let's go. I'm really excited about this one. Let's see how it goes. So let's go. Okay guys, I've just taken a shower. I'm applying a lip oil here because my lips were looking really pale. Gonna go with the serum next. This is the Himalaya's Natural Glow Rose Face Serum. My face was feeling really dry, and this one is quite hydrating because it contains 5% rose extracts and 5% niacinamide. Rose extract will nourish your skin, will give you a softer looking skin, and niacinamide will work on your dark spots, giving you visibly brighter skin. I like to apply a few drops on my face and on my neck, and it's very lightweight, gets absorbed into the skin quickly, and with consistent usage you'll be able to see softer and much more brighter looking skin. You can get it from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, or Himalaya's official website and app. You can also check out the link in my description box for a 20% off, so don't forget to check this product out. Moving on to the hair, as you can see, my bangs have grown a lot. I mean, some people prefer this length, but I don't. I mean, they're almost touching my chin now, and I don't like that. I prefer my bangs to be shorter, and when they're touching the tip of my nose, I mean, that's how short I want my hair to be, so I'll be cutting them. I'm gonna comb my hair so my hair is nice and smooth and detangled. You'll be needing a hair cutting scissors, or just whatever scissors you have at home, anything works. I'm just gonna take out a front section. I'm creating an A, or you can call it a V as well. Like, you have to do it in a clean and proper way so your hair is not uneven, your bangs are not uneven. So as you can see here, I'm creating an A like situation here and just combing through my hair. You see how clean and proper that is. Then start cutting your hair, but make sure you're not cutting all of your hair at once, because sometimes we cut our hair really short and we end up regretting it. So I'm just cutting a little bit of my hair first, and I'm taking my time. So take your time, be very slow with it. You have nowhere to go, okay? So take your time and cut your hair slowly. So I'm cutting my hair till it reaches my nose. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going very slow, and because my hair is wet, they're gonna be even shorter when I'm done. I'm point cutting here. So basically, point cutting is done so your hair is not bulky and there is texture in your hair. So that is what I'm doing, and as you can see, it has reached my nose. Then I'm taking another section just to create a face framing layer. This is how you can cut the rest of your hair as well. I'm taking a little section from my bangs so that I can use it as a guide. So just comb through your hair. I'm really sorry, most of my clips have turned out blurry, but I'm sure you can see what I'm doing here. I'm cutting my hair at an angle, basically diagonally I'm doing it. I don't have a proper way to explain it, but as you can see, I'm just cutting it like that so everything looks balanced out and everything looks even, like they blend with each other. I don't have another way of explaining it, but yeah. So doing the same thing on the other side. I'm just taking one section and a little bit of the hair from the bangs to use it as a guide, and now I'm just going to twist it because I use my right hand for most of the things, and doing it with my right hand to the right side of my hair is quite impossible. So I've twisted the layer and I'm just cutting it exactly how I cut the other section. And I'm really sorry, the clips are really messed up. This voiceover is quite messed up as well, but I'm sure you can see what I'm doing here. So make sure they're equal, otherwise you're gonna look really silly. And this is how the bangs have turned out. We're just gonna style them. I'm gonna use these rollers from Amazon. These clips came with the rollers. You can use any tail comb just to section out your hair. These are some of my old rollers. I'm going to be using this serum as my heat protectant. So taking a little bit of the serum and applying it nicely all over. You can use any other heat protectant if you want. This one just works perfectly fine for me. So just do that. You can do this process without heat as well, but my hair is very dry and frizzy, so I have to use the heat. We'll be using this hot air brush. I'm just taking out a section here. You don't have to be very clean or proper about it. It can be a messy strand. Just gonna smoothen out my hair first. I'm going it inwards and then I'll be going outwards. I don't know if all of this is making any sense. To me, it is making sense, but I hope I'm able to make you guys understand. So just gonna do that a couple of times till I get a smooth strand, and then I'm gonna take a roller and going to roll my hair upwards, like in an upwards direction. I hope you can see what I've done here. I'm just gonna clip them nicely and we'll just let our hair be, and we can move on to the other section now, which is the section right above this one. I like to make sure the front section is completely out of my face so I can focus on the rest of my hair, because it makes it easier for me to style the rest of my hair then. Doing the same thing here, just brushing through my hair so I have a smooth strand, and just gonna take a big roller and I'm gonna roll it the same way I did it with the front section. I'm sure you guys can understand. It's looking a bit messy, but that's how I do it. So I'm just gonna put my middle section away and we're gonna work on the lower section first. So for the lower section, just like comb through your hair, and I'm gonna take like 2 sections. Gonna work with the back section first. So just do the same thing. Brush through your hair a couple of times. You don't have to be very proper about it. Just brush through your hair and make sure you get a smooth strand like this. Then take your roller. I'm taking a big roller and rolling it inwards. As you can see, I'm rolling it inwards, okay? Then just clip through your hair and move on to the other section, okay? We're going to do the same thing with the other section. Just brush through your hair, but this time I'm going to roll the roller. I'm going to roll it outwards, okay? Not inwards, outwards, so my layers look very textured and they show up nicely. Gonna do the same thing to the other side. Just gonna roll the back section inwards, gonna clip it, and then gonna roll the other section outwards. So that is done. The lower section is done. Moving on to the middle section. So there also I took like 2 sections. So the back section, this time we're going to roll all of the sections outwards only, because I prefer this style. You can roll it inwards just how other people do, but I feel this is how my layers look the best, so you can do it however you want. I did this and I'm just gonna keep it for like an hour or 2. Just gonna do my makeup to pass my time, applying a little bit of blush, going in with some mascara, and then I'm just gonna use a lip liner. I don't know why am I doing this, but yeah. So just gonna use a lip liner and this lipstick from Mama Earth in the shade Cinnamon Nude. Then gonna use my lip oil again because I love this one, and this is how it has turned out. Then I'm just gonna take out my rollers. I think I kept it for 30 minutes or so, but you can keep it for longer hours. I mean, if you keep it for 2-3 hours, your hair will turn out even more bouncy and voluminous. I have to go out, so I don't have time, so I'm taking them out, but I keep it for 2-3 hours at least. But even for 30 minutes I got a lot of bounce, as you can see, and I'm really sorry my hair is looking absolutely messy, but that is because I did not have a mirror I did it like blindly just by looking in the flip screen. I mostly do it in front of the mirror and they turn out really, really good. But that's how my hair has turned out. I will just move my fingers through my hair so my hair can settle down a little bit. So keep moving your fingers through your hair so your hair can settle down. And this is how my hair has turned out. You can use some serum to add some shine to your hair. I mean, this is something I love to do whenever I have time, because it takes a lot of time, so you can't do it always. But whenever I do it, I just fall in love with my hair all over again, because they just make my layers look so bouncy and textured and nice. And I love how my hair looks whenever I do this. Just adding a little bit of perfume so my hair smells nice and beautiful. And I'm just completely obsessed with my hair at this point. I mean, just look at how bouncy my hair is looking. And you can add some sort of hairspray if you want. And this is what my hair looks like in natural light. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. And if you're gonna try it, let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.